The next type of symmetry is biradial symmetry. Example for biradial symmetry is third phylum, which is Ctenophora, and the C anemone of second phylum, Cnidaria. Okay, that's two examples. One is Ctenophora and the C anemone of Cnidaria. The last type of symmetry is bilateral symmetry. Okay, bilateral symmetry is present from the fourth phylum to the last, which is Platyhelminthes to Chordata. It is an advantage for mobile animals. Okay, then along with the bilateral symmetry is developed, the cephalization also begins to develop. The cephalization is nothing but the clear-cut differentiation of mouth, sense organ, brain, etc. So it is something but a clear-cut differentiation. You try to clearly remember this. Cephalization is primitive in the fourth phylum Platyhelminthes, but it is well developed only from the seventh phylum, that is Arthropoda. Okay, cephalization is primitive in Platyhelminthes, but it is well developed from Arthropoda. The next criteria is segmentation, which is also known as metamerism. In segmentation, each segment is called metamer or somite. Some are externally segmented and some are internally segmented. For example, in Arthropoda there is only external segmentation, whereas in Annelida there is both externally and internally segmentation. So Annelida is example for true metamerism. The next, Platyhelminthes, that is tapeworm, exhibits pseudo-metamerism. What does pseudo-metamerism means? The segmentation is not seen at birth. Okay, this type of metamerism, it increases the reproductive ability and it is important for the parasitic mode of life. Okay, these are the important points why it exhibits pseudo-metamerism. Why Platyhelminthes exhibits pseudo-metamerism means it increases the reproductive ability and it is also important for the parasitic mode of life. And in tapeworm, each segment is called proglottid. Okay, each segment is called proglottid. These are the points related to segmentation. The next criteria is germ layers. Based on this, there are two types, diploblastic and triploblastic. Diploblastic means 2 layers. Triploblastic means 3 layers. In this, ectoderm and endoderm are present. In between this, the mesoglia is present. There is no mesoderm, only mesoglia is present. Mesoglia means mesenchyme. Undifferentiated mesenchyme is called mesoglia. Okay, all diploblastic or acoelomates, they may give like the statement, all diploblastic animals are acoelomate. Then the statement is correct. Okay, but the reverse is false. All acoelomates are diploblastic. That is false statement because some acoelomates or also belongs to triploblastic animals. Okay, clearly understand this. All diploblastic animals are acoelomates. That statement is correct. Whereas all acoelomates are diploblastic. That statement is false. Then triploblastic animals, because there are 3 layers, ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. But the triploblastic animals may be acoelomates, pseudocoelomates or eucoelomates. Okay, there are the possibilities for all these 3.